we're starting to get a little bit of action in the markets right now because Coinbase, along with a bunch of other companies, have filed something called the S1, which is basically their Coinbase is filing in a Solana ETF, which we've said was going to happen.
Yeah, they've already filed their ETF applications a while back for spot Solana ETFs,
Correct.
but there wasn't any urgency by the SEC to basically go ahead and approve those. Now they said the SEC, whenever they say, hey, just refile your S1, what it basically means is like if you all refile and everything, then we're pretty much going to approve it, because when that happened for Bitcoin, that happened on October of 2023, and then Bitcoin spot ETF was approved by January 10th, 2024. So within about 3 months. So it kind of starts the hourglass time countdown for Solana for that spot ETF to get approved. If Solana spot ETF gets approved, it's likely the staking ETF for Ethereum is going to get approved. And then also on July 2nd, there's a deadline, final deadline for a basket of coin ETFs. So it's Ripple, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few others that are going to be in that basket. If that gets approved, then it's like, well, why aren't all these other coins approved? And so then come October, November, when the final deadlines come for the other ETFs for SUI and other cryptocurrencies, those ones then will start to get approved as well. So right now, you from that, right, you had the rumor speculation 3 months before Bitcoin got its ETF for all that accumulation. Then it actually dipped when the ETF came out, and then we ran for 3 more months. So we had about a 6-month bull market in terms of like just craziness in the market. So I think that's where we're starting now. We're starting the speculation now. Then the Solana ETF gets approved in July, August, maybe September at latest. The other ETFs, one of them gets approved maybe in July, and then other ones get approved in October, November.